Oh my god, ladies and gentlemen, look at what is coming up the hill here. It is a monorail, it is a funicular, and it's free. Can you believe it? It's only going to take us on a minute's trip. What council would pay an astronomical amount of money to build this thing, this driverless thing, to take us literally down to street level? There are staff working here. There's a staff member at the top of the mountain and at the bottom. But it's crazy. It's unique, and it's free. And it's near a tram line, which is down there, a Shinkansen line, which is there, a train line, which is there. This is public transport heaven, ladies and gentlemen. And again, it's free. So why would you not? There's a Shinkansen now, as we wait to board. Here we go. Arigatou gozaimasu. And that's where we're going. We're just going street level. Door closes, and here we go. You can already see the other stop. Crazy. This would be, I don't know, 100 meters in length. This must be one of the shortest monorails or railways anywhere in the world. It would have to be. I like at the end of the line there is a cement brick wall to stop you, and a gallon of diesel by the looks of it, and a wash basin to wash the blood from your hands as you plummet into the wall. There's a tram. Oh my god, we've got it all going on here. How extraordinary is this? As we say goodbye to the tram. And there we are. It is as simple as that. A 3-minute video. 1 minute was on the ride, and the other 2 minutes was preparation of the ride. Arigatou gozaimasu. And there it is there, as we curve around and see the track that we just came down on. Just crazy, isn't it? I mean, like, Japan always does stuff that is just totally illogical. No other place in the world would spend this much money on something and maintain it for it to be free. It's crazy. We're going to wait for it to come back up again. Wonderful, wonderful area. If I ever come back to Tokyo, I would stay out here. There is zero tourists. The park up there is just spectacular. There's museums up there. Again, tourists don't know about it, so it is really, really a hidden gem. As we wait for it to go, here it goes now, ladies and gentlemen. The monorail funicular. Doing its thing, going up. Pretty cool. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the ride of a lifetime.